Come on, madam.
They're ready to serve and take care of you with the best rates in the valley. And you don't have to worry about grabbing your mask and driving anywhere because they can take care of
Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here, and I'm back with another video. Ignore my jacket. Look. Welcome back to my channel. I have to do this intro as quickly as possible because I have to do hair in 30 minutes. Less than 30 minutes, and it's one of the stylists here, so she's gonna be ready any second now. But once I do hair, my hair gonna sweat out. So this is gonna be a video on my like a hair update video, and then what I do with my hair, like my natural hair routine. I'm already sweating because I was in the car dancing, doing the most. But yeah, this is, I just got a trim today. My last trim was December. I usually do my, no, I'm lying. July. Because July is when I first chopped off most of my hair. Got it cut into a bob. So I usually do July, January. So this is what we have. Literally, I can feel the wetness. I need to stop. And they got the heat on. It's hot. So when I come back, I might not look like this, but it's okay. I'm going to come back and we're going to talk about it. And yeah. So this is the after. I just had to do a weave in my hot ass room. Then I had a headband on because my forehead was sweating. So it's okay. I have to dye some bundles, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and touch up my hair and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. It's been, I don't know how many hours. I have to do a weave. I think I already said that. And then I thought I was gonna color these bundles and let them process. They colored so fast that I had to, once I got done coloring one, I had to rinse out the next one. So yeah, we're here. My hair is still very much sweated out, but I just recurl the front a little bit. I have an afro in the middle, but I mean, it's cool. I don't know how I'm going to wrap it tonight. I might do flexi rods. I might do straight. It's okay. So my hair, yeah, my routine is pretty simple, guys. Of course, I'll insert pictures and stuff from the last time I got my hair cut and styled, which was I'm talking on the phone that has all my information on there. And this is why my hair I just can't leave it alone. It's too fat. Which I don't mind fat hair, but I don't so yeah, my routine is pretty easy. People ask me all the time, like, how do I take care of my hair? I don't know what to do. What I'm supposed to use? What do I do? And it's really not that serious. I am very lazy, which is why 90% of the time I'm wearing a wig. The other 10% of the time I have crochets. So my hair goal is always healthy hair. But this year I do want to see if I can retain a lot of length. And for the most part, I feel like I asked this time were my ends bad, because I don't see them, because most of the time my hair is natural. It's in its natural state. I think the last couple of times I wore a wig, I did blow dry it, but 9 times out of 10 I literally have twists under my wig. So she's like, they weren't bad at all. And then I saw where it was at and where she had to cut. And I was just like, they don't even look like it needs to be cut. And my last trim was in July. So yeah, I forgot why I even said all that. Let's just keep going. This video, I have no outline of what I want to say. And I've been needing an outline because I've been thinking about 100 things at one time. But anyways, all I do is shampoo, condition, apply a leave-in, do my twist. And normally when I do my twist, I just use regular wrap lotion. I don't do anything special to them. I don't put in any special oils, creams. I don't do any of that. I don't oil my scalp. So only time I put oil on my scalp is if I have braids, and that's more to soothe it. I don't do any LOC, LCO, HBO. I'm just playing. I don't do any of that. Let me get my products, and I don't even use the same products. I have a certain brand or certain brands that I keep in the salon, and I literally just use that. 9 times out of 10, I use the Mizani dandruff care shampoo because I always have dandruff, or I'll use Paul Mitchell tea tree shampoo. 9 times out of 10, that's what I use. And anytime I use a dandruff shampoo, I follow up with the moisturizing shampoo, and that's usually whatever I have for moisture. It's usually Design Essentials. I don't have any. I had the big pump for the Design Essentials, and then the pump broke, so I put it in a little applicator bottle, so I don't have that. But it's Design Essentials Honey Cream Shampoo. And then the Mizani, they have a line, like a scalp care line. I just bought another product that I'm going to try because, like, literally today is the 19th. Happy birthday to my best friend, Thea. Today is the 19th, and probably before this week is over, I'm going to have dandruff. So literally that's how bad it be. So I bought that stuff to see if it'll actually work, so we'll see. One thing I am halfway consistent on is shampooing my hair weekly. Like I said, I get dandruff really bad, so if I go longer than a week, scalp gonna be disgusting. I did go a little bit longer because I actually sewed my wig down this past time I had a wig on. But if I don't have a wig sewn down, I do not, I usually shampoo and condition my hair every week. I don't really do deep conditions because honestly, I just don't have time to be sitting there waiting for some conditioner to do whatever. I follow the, I choked, I'm not sick, y'all. First of all, I ruined, y'all see all this? I ruined my brand new cape with bleach. But anyways, what was I saying? Now I look back at the video. See, I get so sidetracked. I literally, okay, I need to flatten my hair. I literally follow, I have to go back and see what I was saying, but I literally follow the processing times that is on the container for the conditioner. So if it says 3 to 5 minutes, then I'm gonna keep it on 3 to 5 minutes. Now, if it says, y'all, I do not curl my own hair. If it says you can process longer, like with a cap, then I'll do that. But other than that, I follow whatever is on the container because after that, I mean, really, we're just wasting time here. Let me just, since I'm doing this, let me just talk about my hair real quick. So, one reason I don't wear my hair out a lot is because I am natural, and a silk press is, I don't want to wear my hair naturally curly, and a silk press is not something that I can be getting all the time. And actually, I didn't get a silk press now. I don't ever really be looking to get a silk press because, one, I want to preserve my curl. I am not trying to get heat damage just because I want straight hair for a week. So when I go and get my hair straightened, I already know that it's not going to last. I don't care. I get my hair straightened primarily to get it cut and to check my length. I'm not worried about it only lasting a day or two. I try to stretch it to 3 days. And it's not that anything is being done incorrectly. Ugh. It's just when you don't straighten your hair a lot, it's not going to just stay straight. Like if you never straighten your hair your whole life and then you get a flat iron, it's not going to stay straight forever. You know, this is not doing what I needed to do. I should have used my other flat irons. I like them better. Well, I don't not like them better, but the shape of them would be better for what I'm trying to do to my hair. So yeah, I'm not really looking for my hair to be lasting 24/7 because I got my hair done, I don't know, 5-6 hours ago. Could you imagine me having to do this every day? My natural curls would just be gone, and that's not what I want. I want healthy hair. So getting it straight all the time is not, that's not out something that I would do. So what I do with my hair is based off my life. One, I'm lazy. I do hair all day. I don't have time to sit here and do my hair. arms be hurting. I don't know. Two, I don't have time to be redoing my hair. I don't have time to put heat on my hair every day. So I know for me personally, I'm not gonna do sew-ins with leave out because my leave out is gonna shrink. I'm not gonna get a press because it's not gonna last. I don't wear my hair naturally curly because the shrinkage be real and I just look like a kid and I'm trying to look like an adult. I don't wear braids because I already have very fine edges and edges matter. If I do wear a crocheted hairstyle, I leave my edges out. I don't want to do anything. I want to wake up and go. That's why I stick with crochets and that's why I stick with wigs. With wigs, I have my real hair twisted, pop that thing on. If I want to sew it down, then I sew it down. But for the most part, I got a pop on and off situation, okay? So I was going to try and voice record for these slow motion clips because the video was entirely too long and I was trying to summarize. But something is going on and it's not working on this video. Literally, this is my 5th time trying to record this, and no matter what I do, something happens to the voice recording. So I'm just gonna have to type out what I do. If I feel like it, I will blow dry my hair and do braids. If I do braids, I will use the Main Choice. I think it's called Nothing Better Than This. I use a very small amount and I put that on my hair when braiding. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you cannot tell, I love getting my hair straightened. I always make these slow motion videos when I get my hair straightened. If it wasn't so hot in Arizona and I didn't sweat in 2 seconds, I would wear my hair normally straight. Before I moved to Arizona and went natural, I literally just wore a wrap. If you're from Detroit, you know what that is. Literally, I just wore my hair straight. I did not do weaves. I did braids in the summer, and that was it. So I would love to wear my hair straight, but it's hot. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share. Comment below your hair goals for this year, and it doesn't have to be something crazy. What are some of your hair goals or any goals? You know, I wrote out all my goals for this year, including my hair goal. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to share this video, y'all. I need to get my subscribers up, my views up. Um, help a brother out. Just kidding. Thank you guys for watching. TTYL.